No. No. In this country, we just need to be with the register. Meaning we have to have registered that we are users or that we prescribe this. But there isn't strong legislation that says that physicians are restricted to a certain subpopulation of physicians or that we need an S2. Not yet. Because we don't have strong regulations. Unfortunately. If we had stronger regulations, the same way a lot of dermatologists don't like their stuff available freely because it can be abused. Okay, so same level, same way rather.
There's a US athlete that died of growth hormone just like Saber in the past. Because they used to for strength and use growth hormone until they overdose and they died of it. That's why it is a controlled drug.
Yeah. It generally tends to be a controlled drug. Okay. Regulation is more lax in this country and in other Asian countries. But by example, in the UK, there's actually a registry form, and the use is limited to certain practices. Okay, and you have to be on that register, and they regularly check. And nobody outside of that register is allowed to dispense growth hormone. However, there are growth hormone-like variants coming in largely from China, and I hear from India that we don't have studies for, but that people like using because they find a way to get it without the physician dispensing. So it would be nice actually if we could come together and have some sort of regulation around its use. That would be nice. Would you have other questions so far? I'm just looking for the... Okay. These were statistics you were asking. Anyway, tends to be an 9% increase in muscle mass after 6 months, 14.4% loss of fat on average after 6 months without dieting, and as an overgeneralization, better quality of life, increased sense of well-being, enhanced sexual performance, and better energy levels. Okay, but these are what we have so far. Are we good? I hope I helped address your questions. Would you have other concerns? Okay. First off, it's pretty safe to use as long as we keep within superficial logic. We don't hit superficial logic dosing. We're just going at replacement. Okay. Oh. Hey, Doctor. Yeah, you were asking about some statistics. For example, 9% increase in muscle mass and about 14% loss of fat within the 6 months before you hit maintenance. As an example, then generally improve quality of life, stamina, energy levels, and to be associated with normalization of growth hormone levels. Do we have other concerns, or are we good? Thank you very much for having me. If you have concerns, please do.